Hello everyone, my name is Niyati Seth and I am working as a data analyst at Addend Analytics. Today, we will explore generative AI, an advanced technology that can create content like text, images, and videos. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new content rather than just analyzing existing data. It has the ability to generate different types of output such as text, images, audio, and even videos. This is possible because generative AI is trained on large dataset where it learns patterns, structures, and relationships within the data. Once trained it uses the knowledge to produce human-like responses and content. For example, tools like ChatGPT, it can generate conversations, write mails, or even help with coding. Traditional AI versus generative AI. Traditional AI focuses on analyzing data and making predictions, while generative AI creates new content like text, images, and videos. Traditional AI is accurate and reliable for specific tasks. Generative AI is creative and can handle complex open ended problems. Traditional AI lacks flexibility and creativity, while generative AI may sometimes produce inaccurate results and need validation. Traditional AI uses methods like decision tree and predictive models, while generative AI uses deep learning and neural network. Traditional AI needs structured data, whereas generative AI works with both structured as well as unstructured data requires for the large data set. Traditional AI is rule based, while generative AI is flexible and learns from data. Traditional AI is easier to understand, while generative AI often work as a black box. Traditional AI is used in fraud detection and analytics, while generative AI is used in content creation, chatbot, and AI generated media. Now let's understand how generative AI works. Uh, First step, input. The user provides a prompt which defines what output is needed. Second is processing. The AI analyzes the prompt and breaks it into parts like action, like write, format, and then topic. Third step is understanding. It identifies keywords and uses a user intent. So here, for example, like generating a short explanation of AI. Next step is prediction. The AI uses patterns learned from the training data to predict the most suitable response. It doesn't copy, it generates. Next step is generation. Using NLP, it creates a clear, grammatically correct and relevant summary. The last step is output. The final response is shown and the user can refine or continue the interaction. So, generative AI takes input, understands it, predicts the best response, and then generates the meaningful output. Prompt engineering is the process of designing clear, structured, and effective inputs to get better result from AI system. So prompt engineering is the practice of creating well structured prompts that guide AI to generate accurate and meaningful outputs. Instead of giving vague information instruction, we provide clear and specific input. Why is it important? The quality of output is in generative AI is directly depends on the quality of the prompt. If the prompt is unclear or too general, the output will also be less useful. But if the prompt is well defined, the output becomes more accurate, more relevant, and more structured. So we can say better prompt is equals to better output. There are three important principles of prompt engineering. First is clarity. The prompt should be clear and easy to understand. Second is context. Provide enough background information. Last is specificity. A clearly defined format, length, and expectation. So prompt engineering act as a bridge between what the user want and what the AI generate. Types of generative AI. Generative AI can create different types of content, not just text. So first is text generation. Creates human like text for chatbots, emails, and content. Example is ChatGPT. Image generation. Generated image from text prompts, for example Midjourney. Next is video generation. Create videos and animation for media and marketing. Example Runway ML. Last is audio generation, produces voice, music and sound effects like synthesia. So generative AI work across multiple format, text, images, videos and audio, making it versatile. Benefits of generative AI: first is increases productivity. It automates the task like content writing and coding. Second is saves time and efforts, complete task in a minute instead of hours. Next is enhances creativity, generate new ideas, designs and content. Next is cost efficiency, reduces manual work and operational cost. Last is scalability, handles large volume of work efficiently. Key aways, generative AI is a powerful technology that creates new content using deep learning and pattern recognition. Rather than just analyzing data, it is widely used across industries like business, healthcare and technology. Prompt engineering plays an important role in improving the quality of AI outputs. While it enhances productivity and creativity, it also comes with certain challenges that require human oversight. The future lies in strong collaboration between human and AI. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, drop your question in the comments, like and share the video, and subscribe to Addend Analytics for more insights. Thank you.